Hey guys, as promised, we are doing the layers today, and there's still going to be one more after this on the finishing, and then you'll finally see the final result. So as you can see, I am starting at the top of the head, and that is my central guide, and I am going to bring everything to that. Now, there's a lot more combing going on than this, but I do cut a lot of that out for your viewing pleasure. So I am bringing everything to that central guide at the top of the head. Now, I am using my Hikari shears, and these are the Phantom Cosmos, and these are the top of the line, and they are awesome. As you can do, I do this little shakeout just to see the way things are going, and I do chop the hair off before I go in and tip cut if it's really long and a lot of hair, because it's hard to tip cut when there's a lot of hair in the way. So now we're going into the side dimension, and I bring those out. I don't bring them all the way to the center after I cut the top. As you can see right here, I bring that straight up into my center guide in the back, but then I'm going to bring and angle those sides in out to the sides. I am not going to bring those all the way up because there's only a little part of the head, and then the back has all this part, and I always angle the sides, and otherwise it looks steppy and stupid. Guys, don't forget to save this post, and don't forget online education, link in the bio. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.